You're welcome to the Crypto Niche channel, and today I want to show you the trading software, this trading system that I've been using for quite a number of months now. Let's say like more than 2 years now since I've been using the trading system. Okay, so this platform, I want to make a review of it so you can decide for yourself if it's something that you want to invest into or it is something that you want to try because they allow you to try the platform for 14 days. Okay, you're not going to make any payments. Just try the plan for 14 days, and if it makes sense to you, then you continue with them. And so but I wrote a review about it on Medium, published on Medium, some days ago, and I want to make the video version of this review because I understand that not everyone likes to read and read and read. Okay, so I'm going to make a precise tutorial about this, in the video format. Okay, so what you can do for me now is to subscribe to the channel. This is just 863 subscribers, and we're looking forward to having like thousands and thousands of subscribers on the platform because we make valuable content every day, like every other day on the platform. If you want to jumpstart your career in the blockchain and crypto industry, then this is something that you want to, subscribe to by all means possible, right? So now the also there's a playlist that you can also jump in. Okay, jump on the playlist. There are lots and lots of valuable information on the playlist also. So now let's go back to this review right there. So when you sign up to on the platform, there's a link down below that you can use to sign up on the platform and test it out by yourself. So this is how the interface looks like. If you want, you can switch between night mode to day mode, but I kind of prefer the night mode. Okay, I prefer the night mode. So let me switch back to night mode. So this is a trading engine. Okay, and you can link up with several other exchanges. So if you click on new exchange, then you can add more other exchanges. As you can see, there are like almost 20 other exchanges that you can link with. All right, so the beauty is that you can have access to all of these exchanges by using just one interface. That's the beauty. So you can switch between interfaces like from here, from Binance Future, switch to Binance Spot, or from Poloniex if you have funds on Poloniex, or switch to KuCoin if that is what you want. All right, so that is how awesome the platform is. Now, the next thing I want to talk about is the order book. So you have a limit order, you have a market order, you have a stop order, you have a stop limit if you want. Okay, and there are several other things you can do. Even shadow orders are here. You can create a shadow order also, and creating a shadow order is just like an order you've created that is not being executed on it. It's not going to reflect on exchange, but once the order criteria is met, then it will go live. All right, that's the beauty of the shadow order, as you can see. So you can even do what you can do here is even more than what you can do on exchange. Let me show you something real quick. I call this a smart order. This is how the smart order works. Let's assume that I want to buy which coin is this? Okay, I want to buy one else slash USDT. I'll just come here and say, okay, the current price is 0.036. Let's say I want to buy at 0.033. Okay, that is the entry price that I want. So you can also move it up to this point. Instead of typing the number, you can move it with your cursor. So just come here and let's say the amount I want to buy is 200. I want to buy 200. Okay, let me just come here. Let's assume that I want to use the entire balance of my account for it. Let me say 319. Okay, so that makes sense. So now I can also come here and set the take profit points. Let's say uh, I want to sell 50% of it at 0.5. Okay, if I should sell 50% of it at 0.5, I'm going to make profit of 143.35. Okay, so now after I can just add another target. So if the next target is like going to sell like another, let me say here is 50%. Okay, let me say I want to target 70%, or let me say that 0.07 is my next target. Can you see it? So, and I want to sell like 50% at this point, and also want to sell like 50% at this point. Okay, so the overall profit now is going to be like 235.83, as you can see. So you can also come here and set the trading take profit if you want. Okay, you can leave this as it is. But if you're not interested, in that, you can come here and set stop loss. Okay, I cannot afford to take stop loss that is more than 10% on this trade. Okay, that is your choice. So then you come here and click on buy. So I'm going to skip this. Then you click on buy. So when you click on buy, go to your open order. This is your order. As you can see, this order is not going to reflect on the exchange. It is only on Bitsgap. It's only on the bot. But once the condition for this trade is met and the price now drop to your possible entry point, then definitely this trade will be triggered on exchange. Okay, the exchange does not even know that you have this order right now. But once the conditions are met, the bot will know, it will sense it and automatically, execute that order. And once it is executed, you don't have to come back to the platform and start setting your take profit point. There's no need for that. It's automatically done for you. So that's one of the beauty of the platform. It is called, I call this one Smart Engine. Okay, Smart Engine trading terminal. Okay, so these are part of the orders I'm using on the Smart Engine. Look at this one. This is in profit, this is profit, and this is also going to turn to profit very soon. Okay, so the next thing I want to try is probably maybe you want to try the bots. Okay, I don't have any bots running at the moment, but I use the bot quite a lot. So, but I use S bots. If you know that there is a sideways movement in the market, then you use S bots. But if you know that there's going to be an uptrend, then you use a classic bot. All right, it is that simple. Then if you know that you want to trade on futures markets, then you use a combo bot. But this is only available to those users on the Binance platform. But I read something in their group, in their community on Telegram, that they're going to be having a futures bot also on top 4 exchanges very soon. I'm not sure how fast that's going to be, but I'm excited to read that news, that information, and I can't wait to have that also. Then for the scalper bot is actually awesome. Okay, but you have to be sure that if the token price will go down, it will come up again. Otherwise, it's a very dangerous bot to use. Okay, so that's one thing about bots. All right, so now I'm using a pro account. For the pro account, I have access to standard 20 bots. Now I'm not using any of them. I'm only using the smart order right now. So, and I also have access to create 3 scalper bots also, because I'm using a pro account on the platform. Now, this is another thing you want to consider. Your portfolio, you have access to, to know how far you are doing on that level. Okay, so you want to know how far you are doing. You want to know about your open orders. You want to know about your positions also. Okay, your current position you are holding, your trading history is here. Okay, you can search between exchanges. You can search between exchanges. All right, so if you want to close any of those, any of these open positions, they can close them right here also. Okay, so this is all about notification. If there's anything that you are notified about, okay, so a particular order error is here because the balance is low, so that's why I'm getting this error here. But there is nothing to be worried about as far as that is concerned. Okay, so you can search for information by date, by searching or by typing the token ticker or the coin ticker here. So also when it comes to my exchanges, you have access to the balance that you have on different exchanges. Okay, I don't encourage that you have a big balance on your exchange. Okay, so I recommend that you have only what you want to trade with on your exchange. Okay, so you can increase it as you want and you can reduce it as you want. Okay, so now here's another thing that you want to take note about the platform. You can also do a demo trade. Let me switch to a demo trade. For the demo trade, you have access to thousands and thousands of dollars for the demo trade. Okay, this is what exchanges don't give you access to, to enjoy on the platform. So, but on this platform, you have access to a virtual fund that is not yours, so you can practice with it. Okay, so you can come here and switch to demo trade. Where's the demo trade again? And switch to demo. Okay, the demo is switched on. I can turn it off if I want, or come here and switch it on. Okay, so you can use the demo balance to buy BTC, any other token that is available on all of these exchanges. That is the beauty of the platform. Okay, so then also when you come here, you have access to information like the affiliate program is here. Probably you signed up and you want to refer your friends. That is also good. Okay, So I think that is all you guys have to know about the platform. If you have any question you want to ask me about the bot, leave me your question in the comment box. Okay. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share with your friends, turn on the notification button, and let us, you know, build a robust community. Let us have a nice community. Okay, that is how we can grow in the ecosystem. Okay, so if you have any question, hit me in the comment box. And also, don't forget to also join the crypto knowledge community on Telegram. Okay, so if you want to be part of the community on Telegram, I'm going to pin a post, under this video. Check the pinned comments, the pinned post, and everything that you need is going to be there. Okay, so to sign up on the platform, my affiliate link is down below. When you sign up on the platform, I get a small commission from it. It doesn't affect anything that you are doing. It doesn't affect you. So that's how you can help the channel to also grow. So just use the affiliate link down below and sign up on the platform. So see you guys in the next video tutorial.